I joined, it did not have any vehicle, and I was coming back to Pune after a long time. So it was an established branch and there were people there. And I was only, I was told these lines before in my career. So I was only data guy when this came to Pune branch. And they did data center and what all. So the first month, they told me that how comfortable are you with taking targets? Because it was a tough time. 1 year had gone, the company had been formed, and it was almost a year. 1999, the company started operation, and I joined in 2000. So in एक साल में company में बहुत सब समझ जाते हैं. So people start getting aggressive on target and all that. So they said that how comfortable are you with taking targets? I said I am comfortable. This is a statement which every sales guy gives. And how comfortable and how confident are you that you will achieve your numbers? So I only had one thing to say that in my second month of job, first month in Netfund is called honeymoon period. Ratan is going through honeymoon period. And second month onwards, you start to deliver. So I said that in second month of my job in Netfund, I'll take your best sales guy out national. My achievement would be highest in second month. I'll come to the second month now. 24 दिन हो गए, 24 days are gone, I am at zero. So there was this friend of mine, and again account manager, Satish Gandhi. So he helped me out with the ISDN connection. We sold some ISDN connection at 14,000 rupees, one unlimited, 1 year unlimited. And it was just 14,000 rupees. Then there was this colleague of mine who was getting married. So there was a check and a PO to be collected from one of his accounts. So I went to one of those accounts. It was somewhere in camp. And was sitting there waiting for the owner to come and give me the check and hand over the PO. I saw a brochure which was lying there of a portal which was about to launch operations called jebkharchi.com. So I just picked it up. I thought that I had never done co-location. It is like co-location is new for you. It was new for me. So I came from a data company with a lease line and broadband and all that. So I called up this guy. He said that my servers are co-located in Rolta, but we are having major problems. I want to move my 5 servers overnight. And he said, okay. He said, where are you? I told him that I'm in camp. He said, you need to come to my office, which was other side of town. So I took a bus and I reached. I did not have a two-wheeler. So I reached that place and I'm sitting there for 4 hours. So that guy wanted us to manage they had a mail server, they had a chat server, they had a database server, and they had a web portal, and the database was Sybase or something like that. And operating system was Linux. का एक और flavor क्या है वो? FreeBSD. So that was all bouncers to me. So I got another great guy who was there in Pune branch, Ravi Time. And he came and he worked on technology angle. 2 days we sat in that account. And closed 5 servers, all IBM servers, co-location in Bombay, and 1 backup server in Chennai, and 1 lease line. And that was the biggest order of that month. My promise to the friend and myself was that I will take the best sales guy out nationally was achieved. After that day, first 45 days have been very difficult, and after that day I never looked back. My logic and a lot of people who have been very successful here in the company is performance is the best negotiable. From account manager in a year I was business manager to regional manager another 1 year. Regional manager I was there for a year and a half, and then I was given a chance to become head business operations. Head business operations I was there for a year, and then I was given opportunity to head regional business of north and east of India. And I did that for 2 years. I relocated from Pune to Delhi, and then again I was given an offer a year back to head security, and then ADC came along with it. Essentially what I am trying to put across is growth. Nobody stops your growth. It has to be in you to perform and go to the next stage. There are no boundaries. There are no boundaries here. There are no boundaries in your career or in your business. It is how you analyze a problem. You cannot, you're not bigger than your competition. You're not stronger than your competition, but you need to have a bond internally that because of internal processes, in the external companies, the processes are long. Internally, you need to ensure that you have a very short process time and you revert to customer very fast. Okay. Gone are those days where people used to say that customer is the king. Okay. So there are ways to manage customers. If you say customer is the king and everything which he or she says and you bend your back, is not going to get you any business. You need to understand and then you need to deliver confidently. Going forward in the company, there's a investment which has come in. There are major plans which we have. We just did a small expansion in Chennai and Bombay, and now we intend to go ahead with a 12,000 square foot data center in Chennai. It's going to be kicking off anytime soon. MPLS and IPLC are again there, and there are slight concern areas which we are addressing in corporate. Overall, I think that the company has done good. There are slight issues of a small company that everybody goes through recession, so let those things not bog you down. Okay, there are a lot of gossips which happen in the company when at times when we understand and we feel the pain that it does not give us any pleasure that if payroll is delayed. But I was talking to somebody, they said that they had a notion that you as corporate get it first. We said that we get it last, and it is after the last branch has been paid, it is after 5 days that corporate gets. Everybody, including the security guard in corporate. Okay, so we understand the pain and we are part of it. It's an ongoing battle. It is on us that we change the company. So I'll not take much of a time. Probably I'm the lucky person to be here, and then again I'll be part of the Delhi party.
We are lucky too. We are lucky.
So I'll not take much of a time. You guys have done a tremendous job. There are always ups and downs. So, and that's why life is so happy. If there are always ups in your life, you will. There is no fun. So these things probably make you a better professional. And other thing is people who have gone. This is one company which lets you do the complete thing. It gives you the kind of freedom or power, because you are small, you can do lot of things. Okay, so this kind of people with entrepreneurial skills are required. If you couple of days back I was going through Naukri.com and there were a lot of openings which are put up by Airtel. So Airtel said that they had senior profiles and they said people with entrepreneurial skill required. So it is not about just going through processes. They want people, when you are an entrepreneur, it is like you are running your own business and you need to be in complete control. I'm very happy I told Ratan that Shiva is one person who is close order. Verma is the person who is close order. When I was by my team, there were people, I did not want to press them on this, and Verma was good with one customer and Shiva is good with most of the customers. They have actually closed, okay, without involving anybody. So we are a good company. Only thing is, it is upon us to make it better. It is our drawing room. It depends upon us whether we have to keep it clean or not. And that's about it. Alcohol is not allowed, but I'll still say 30 years, 30 more. Let's rock. Okay. And thanks for asking me to be here.